Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you need to do a hard reset on an SKF GX series Microlog. Now you might want to do this for a couple of reasons. If the screen is frozen or if the device is not working or it's not responding, and if you've already tried a soft reset power cycle, then you can try this hard reset. Now this hard reset will not erase all of the data and everything like that. If you want to do that, you have to reconfigure the entire thing, but this will reset the time zone, the time, all that kind of stuff to its original default factory settings. And if you want to do that, it's pretty simple to do. You will need a paper clip or something like that to press the reset button. So basically, you need to remove these two screws to access the battery container. And then in the corner of the battery container beside the batteries, you'll see there is a small reset button. You'll need to press and hold that button with your paperclip for several seconds. And this is with the device already turned off when you do this. And then it will actually cause the device to start up in its factory default mode.